Hello, I'm Michael Burke. I'm your instructor for English 101 675, an online version of College Composition 1. I thought I'd make a short introductory video just to let you know what I look like, show you what the course textbook looks like, and take you through a few clicks here on our Blackboard page. This is our course textbook, Reading Critically, Writing Well. It's a Bedford St. Martin book, and we're using the 11th edition. You're going to need a copy of this to complete the course successfully. Course Blackboard site, as you can see, everything that you'll need to successfully complete the course, minus the textbook, is posted somewhere on this site. If you go up here to the upper left-hand corner, the first thing you'll click on is Start Here. You'll see a welcome to the course, an overview, the learning objectives, course requirements, minimum technology requirements, and information about how to find Microsoft Office and the whole suite of programs for free that the college provides for you. There is a link inside the course that will take you there. The last thing that this will take you to is to Remind, which is a texting app that you can sign up for free for the course, and that lets us text each other without knowing any of our phone numbers. If you click on the My Instructor button, you'll find a link to email me and to email everyone in the course if you want to. A rather snazzy photograph of me taken by professionals last year. You can see I don't give them a whole lot to work with. This section lists the office hours, and this is a little bit about me. This is our dog Max, who's about an 8-year-old black lab mix that we have. So if you're curious about me at all, take a look at this. Probably the most interesting part for you at this point in the course is the syllabus, and you can see that the document is posted here. I've updated it as of today, the 14th, so it's as up to date as I can make it. If you click on this link, it should open, and then you'll be able to check it out yourself. I've emailed you a copy of this as well. So what I'd recommend is that you print this out, or at least make sure that you can always access it online so that you can answer questions that you have about the course before you email me. The course content link is perhaps the most important. This lists what we're going to do week by week. At this point, I've enabled just the first 2 weeks. I'll have the rest of the course put together in a couple of weeks. I have it all done, but I find that if I activate too many links at the beginning of a course, sometimes students get confused. So here is a list of tasks that we have to do during the first 2 weeks that culminates in handing in the very first course paper. It's only 2 pages. It all comes from your own experience. Don't worry about it, but just get it done and follow the instructions. Inside this course content folder for weeks 1 and 2, you'll see the various requirements. A discussion board post that asks you to introduce yourself to the rest of the class and gives you the schedule for that. There's also a Smarter Measure assessment, and this is a non-graded tool that will help you determine your own readiness for completing an online course successfully. You have a quiz that's due on Monday the 28th, chapters 1 and 2 in the textbook. So you need to make sure that you've got a copy of the textbook and that you've read those 2 chapters. There is a copy of the course textbook on reserve in the Merrimack Library. If this becomes a real problem for you, you need to let me know very soon. The assignment sheet and turn-in area for the first paper are here, and I'll explain this a little bit later. This particular folder contains 2 videos that I'd like you to watch before you start writing this paper, because you need to respond to one or both of these videos in some way. The assignment sheet tells you what to do. The links that are here are to the authors of the various essays that are contained in chapter 3, which is the chapter that concerns itself with autobiography. Down here at the bottom of the page is a link to a section where I will ask you to post a draft of your first paper the week after next, by the 30th of January, and I'll make another video that explains how to do that. When you log into Blackboard and you click on the course link, this should be the first thing that you see. a welcome message. I have sent this welcome message to you via email 3 times, once to your personal account and probably twice to your STLCC student account. Please read through this and let me know if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to meeting you all, and I think this is going to be an interesting course once we finally get started. Thank you for your patience.